Halo, halo, apakah kita sudah live? Let's go, kita si kode lagi guys. Kita kayak ambil misi lagi deh.
I got some work you'll really like.
Kencengan gak sih? Kencengan kali ya. Kecilin dulu guys.
A new assignment, huh? Let's see.
My name is Kureya.
So you'll take on this quest?
He seemed to have some sort of request. Find out the details of the palace. Kita ganti dulu apa ya? Ini si Liu gue ganti deh, tapi bete banget. Siapa deh ini? Dia apa nih? Logan kah? Kita bawa dulu aja ya, tapi darahnya tipis banget guys. Mau bawa Logan ya? Bisa kok Logan. Berarti kita ke Crystal Palace ini tuh Pak. Klub bola ini. Sini nih guys, gua horor. Main nyantai aja ya, main RPG ini. Kenapa nih datang-datang di bodoh-bodohin gue? To get what you want, and then you discover can like a lot of stress. Understand if you know what's good for you, you will cut all ties with that brute or viper. Got it? What's that all about? Gak ngerti lagi loh. Kita beli wilayah kocak dulu deh. Buat si Logan ya guys. Iya, nambah 10 doang. Duit gue masih 36.000 kan. Ini dia biar nambahin speed ya guys. Yuk let's go ke Prince Palace.
Oh, so you are the heroes who have been lending strength to the mage?
Ini ibunya si ini gak sih? Ya waktu itu siapa guys, gue lupa.
You are so young, but you look very competent and dependable. I can understand why my Shams likes you so
Shams,
much.
yeah.
My Shams?
Oh, silly me. How do you do? I am Sham's mother, the
Bukan
third
maknya.
Empress consort, Claire.
Boleh juga nih gambarnya ya.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Oh, the way you talk.
Guys,
So
udah
rough,
kegedean,
just
guys,
as
udah
Sham
kegedean.
said. My heart is pounding a little.
Okay, you wanted us to do, right?
Oh my, yes. I almost forgot.
I think I heard something about you wanted us to escort you somewhere.
Yes, I would like to hurry back to my homeland of Salsabil. I'd like you to accompany me and keep me safe along the way. Oh, thank you.
But why us? You're the wife of the Mage Ward. You can just have the Mage from troops escort you, can't you?
Iya ya, nggak minta ini nama ini ya. Si Metzelot ya, tadi suaminya.
The mage forces are just pawns of that garish, vulgar First Empress consort. I can never trust them.
I see. How about the Blades of Nightsvale then?
Do you expect me to beg the potential Fourth Empress consort for help?
Potential fourth Empress consort? You mean Kodakild?
Everybody in the Imperial Palace knows his lordship has a thing for that woman.
Oh yeah? Okay.
So that leaves you. Will you help me? Please.
We don't mind, but are you sure you can trust us? I mean, we just met.
I'm sure. My Shams told me I could.
Dia dapat ini ya, kita dapat kepercayaan dari orang dalam nih, si Sam.
Yeah, the prince seems to like us for some reason. Anyway, if you're fine with us going with you, we won't say no.
Oh, thank you. We leave right away then.
Kemana lagi nih kita?
If we follow south along Misato River, we will soon come to Salsabil. Shall we go?
Oke, kita ke south guys. Kita save dulu gak sih? Oh gak usah, ntar aja deh. Kita ke selatan berarti. Di sini banyak monster nih. Loh. Oh iya benar, udah gue ganti keris ya semuanya. Oke, naik level Logan. Sini guys, kayaknya bukan ke sini deh guys. Gue beliin kapak aja ya. Tapi speednya ngaruh gak sih? Kalau pakai kapak kayaknya speednya berkurang ya. Kita lawan-lawanin aja ya walaupun musuhnya lemah guys. Tai, gini kayak gitu baru dapat tai. Ya apa gue pakai spear aja ya dia. Oh ada trident toh. Tugas hasil persepir aja. Terus si Logan gue kasih Trident. Gila, cewek-cewek pakai tapi nggak ada yang pakai panah ya. Ah, bingung guys. Ntar nggak ada yang ini lagi. Serangan jauh. Loh, kok kita nggak bisa lewat situ ya? Aduh, lewatnya mana ini? Wih, baru lagi tuh. Ih, siluman babi guys. Mau makan tuh. Wolian. Nah, dulu kita explore dulu ya. Lumayan kan dapat gituan bisa dijual. Iya ada tea guys. Kita ambil dulu. Santai aja, santai. Ada musuh kita serang. Bronze X. Salah. Kalau logo gue pakai X gimana ya? Oh, nggak bisa dipakai, Cok. Kayak ini sih Marika gak sih guys? Gak bisa ya. Kita cabut aja lah. Rapa rumit. Nah, ini gede nih XP nih. Gak gede juga sih. Berarti ini kita ke atas terus kan? Anjay. Naik laptop bro. Great sword. Iron great sword. Gimana ya? Coba deh kita pakai ya. Nah, ini coba tes. Kayaknya sakitan itu ya. Gue masih bingung sama statnya guys. Bentar. Ini kita lihat ya bareng-bareng. Mari gue bikin rokok. Tuh kan ada stat yang gambar pedang itu, gue tahu itu strength-nya lah ya. Nah itu ada lagi yang gambar tangan, itu apa guys? Semakin gede itu apa? Kalau bintang tuh saya tahu gue itu luck ya. Iya gak sih? Ntar gue cari tahu deh build yang bagus ya, equipment yang bagus buat si setiap karakter lah. Karena jujur gue masih bingung. Soalnya ini dikasih kebebasan guys, mau pakai karakter ini mau pakai apa gitu senjatanya bisa. Kayak ini kan awalnya tongkat nih si Mamet gue nih, gue ganti pakai pedang. Nah, kalau lu pada yang nonton tahu, kasih tahu gue aja. Kemana nih? Oh, tembusnya di sini anjir. Siapa itu? Rufian. Bandit ya? Ini kayak bandit deh ini guys. Patriot. Are you serious? Unite dulu guys. Aku lupa unite yang mana ya. Oh nggak bisa unite cok. Oh karena nggak ada ini ya si Ryu. Pikir depannya dulu gak sih? Let's go. Ya elah, cupu banget. Apa tuh? Are you serious? Gotta die, bro. Jangan terlalu meninggi-tinggikan kita lah. Kayaknya jelek deh. Gak suka gua. Gak bisa guys. BTR drag. Ayo let's go. Nah. Di sini gak dapat duit soalnya dapat material gitu ya, bisa dijual di trade jatuhnya sih. Ntar gue mau ekspor dulu. 5.000 lumayan. Sakit banget ya. Terus kita ke bukan di sini. Ini tempat kelahirannya. Viceroy mentioned first. It is that estate you see there on the hill. Ini mention ya. Ada threat, ada in weapon, aman, damai, sentosa ya. Oh ini bapaknya ya, bapak Korea. Ini kayak nenek-nenek sama kakek, beneran. Lanjut ceritanya dia merajuk kah balik ke rumah bapaknya. Beli kopi ya. JJ Company. Masrur namanya nama Indo semua anjing. Furat, ini namanya Furat. Oke, kita ke ini berarti. Thanks aja lah, kita jadi orang baik ya. Udah cukup jadi orang songongnya. Apa hal yang pertama dilakukan sebelum ke in adalah ke weapon. Sama aja ya. Wih, dia bisa pakai sight guys. Wah, keren sih. Gue pengen pakai sight ya. Bentar ya. Gini guys caranya. Magedong. Dibeli deh. Throwing knife. Buat siapa itu ya? Beli deh. Aduh, defense-nya ngurang banget ya. Itu masih. Oh, luck-nya ya. Nambahin luck, guys. Beli aja deh kalau enggak ya. Beli aja ntar tapi. Ini nambah berapa dia? 30. Aduh, kurang banget ya. Ini nambah 30 tapi guys. Bingung gua. Stop especially suited to strike attack. Nambah 20 ya. Oke, boleh. Wah anjay, banyak banget nih. Magic Rock guys. Aduh ini banyak banget yang pengen gue beli dah. Bisa pakai magedom dia. Wah duit gue gak ada anjing. Ntar guys, trade dulu. United Kingdom. Ini nge-trade bukan sih? Ah, jual-jualin aja lah ya. Gue banyak nih. Duh, ini jangan deh. Mahal nih. Silk Street Global. Nggak ada rumor. Ngapain lu ngajakin? Ntar guys. Salah. Gue jual-jualin aja gak sih? Tapi sayang kalau item tuh guys. Di spoil langsung gue. Cukup ya. Oh iya Marika guys. Sama aja. Beli apa ya? Gak ada cukup duitnya. Oh kita mau grinding dulu guys. Gak bisa. Apa nih residen? Ini siapa cok? Bisa direkrut kayak ini guys. Berarti kita ke ini. Cek dulu dah. Thank you, thank you. Terus oke, udah kesini ya. Let us sponsor, we have no reason to complain. Then what about those guys that call themselves the Sustainable Liberation something or other? Listen from those fellows. Did you? The Viceroy has promised to pay the bill. but I wouldn't have let you pay even if he hadn't. Si jahat itu. Ih, mundur begitu guys. Kita ke ini mention berarti. In the back. Took action against the order soon. Korea. Siapa lagi nih? She can be plainly heard out on the street. That's true. But please don't think badly of her for this. Before she became the Empress consort, she was a very sweet girl. I think she's probably had to become like this in order to survive in the imperial place. Alright. Well, father, mother, I'm sorry to rush off like this, but I have to get back to the maid city. I hope you can stay longer next time you visit. We would love to see our grandson too. Grandson, oh si Sam ya. Also, I'm sure it must be difficult when he's the prince. Once things are settled with the order, perhaps we will have a chance. So, father, please see to the matter we discussed. I will try my best. Mehmet, please watch over our daughter on the road back. Huh? Yeah, sure. Ceritanya kan gue voice over ya kan. We hope all of you come back for a visit again someday. Not again. Gue mau coba kesini dulu gak sih guys? Deh. Kayaknya harus bawa sini gak sih? Kita kesini ya. Rich Place. Dia nggak tahu, gila, pada kita perjalanan berhari-hari aja. Cipok. Gila, ibunya boleh-boleh juga. You didn't do much. That is not true. You saved my life. Seems I look forward to your continued support in the future. But now until the time's come. Ini songong ya? Sure. Oh, thank you. I just know we can count on you. Come with me now, Sims, and tell me everything that went on while I was away. Yes, mother. Wah, jangan-jangan bukannya Oke, balik kita ke ada lagi. Ah, there you are, Mamet. Huh, who are you? Oh, sorry, I'm Captain Assad. Subordinate. The name Nakil. Namanya Nakil ya, namanya aneh-aneh. Assad, subordinate. I don't recognize yet. It's not surprising. I usually work behind the scene. I don't fight in the front line very often. Huh? What do you want with me? Oh, that's right. I heard a report the Daiwatch order troops are preparing to make another attack on Castle Takeshi. Bener sih kayaknya. Patternnya tuh Suikoden tuh sama ya. Ada beberapa kota, cuman ada satu kota yang pengen apa ya? Kayak dia overpower sendiri gitu, pengen overpower sendiri. Suikoden 1 2 kayak gitu juga. Kalau FF Final Fantasy patternnya juga ada juga tuh ya kan. Emang Captain and Commander Credential are already hitting there with reinforcement. I was told to find you in the main city and bring you back to the castle. Okay, if we hurry we can get back before the enemy arrives. Got it, let's go. Balik dong kita. Oh, udah kebuka nih kota ininya ya, yang sini. Berarti kita balik ke sini ya. Fortress kastil kita ya kan. Mamet, something dreadful is upon us. Lo. Where's Jal? Isn't he with you? What are you so worked up about? Did something happen to Jal? The storm is coming. What? It will be here any minute now. Great. What are you talking about? There's not a cloud inside. So the time has come already. How could I have been so careless? Yeah, I totally forgot as well. Will someone please explain this storm business to me? There's no place to run or hide at this point. I've gotta go out and face this. Right, I'll go with you. The storm is coming from the north. Please head to the front entrance. Okay. Did you guys not hear me? Siapa guys? So the rumors were true. Hah? Siapa guys? Oh, jangan-jangan Storm itu julukan buat orang. At first I didn't believe it. I never expected you to set up base in a castle of your own. Looks like you really moved up in the world, huh? Let me handle this, Mamet. You got it. Well, how about you get started? Kalah. Ini banyak milk nih di sini nih anjir. It improved a heck of a lot more than I expected. I even had to get a little serious there. That woman got some killer moves. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Wait a second, did you get beat up? It's fine, Mona. Well, hi, Marika. I didn't know you were here. Wow, it's been a long time, Selen. Selen ya, kenal juga ternyata. Are you a friend of? Pleasure to meet ya. Thanks for taking good care of my boys. Hah? This is Jel's mom. Emaknya? Ribut sama emaknya anjir, anak durhaka lu. Pretty hard to believe, huh? You're serious? Yeah, it's true. Yes, I have to admit it. No, what's that supposed to mean? Are you embarrassed to be seen with your mother? I'm not embarrassed. Selen, the most versatile fighter in the village, and she's got all the men at her feet. Usually she's out working as a bodyguard or something, but comes back like this from the time to time. That's why the men refer to her as the storm. O kan julukan badai. Oh, I get it now. Can you believe how rude that is? I just wanna come see how my boy doing every now and then. But what was all that fighting and stuff about? Oh, they just our way of bonding. It's important to see how much my son has grown. You know? But don't you worry. At first, I thought everyone in Majujay company was taking on more than they could handle. But our little scuffle here proves otherwise. Scuffle. I'm so proud to see that my baby's grown into a strong young man. Would you stop? There you go again. Kayak si Jeng, there you go again. Kalau si Jeng kan, oh shit, here we go again. Gitu. There you go again. There's nothing to be embraced about honey cakes. This is torture. Torture. Gimana tuh bacanya? Mom, I want you to take good care of my gel now. Yes, Mom. That's more like it. Well, it's back to work for me. Oh, already? Yeah, I've seen it now. I got my fill of little jealousy for today. And as for you, you take good care of my boys now, alright? Me? Yes, ma'am. Well, so long. Come back soon. Mom? Yeah? I'll be the next time. Oh, I'm looking forward to do that. Oh, your mom is all cool. Isn't he? Isn't she? Well, my palms are all sweaty now. What is Mom so nervous about? Oh, that she used to get really mad at him when he did bad things as a little boy. I was just a kid. I'm just a kid, gitu kan. I wasn't scared a bit when the villager elder got mad. But that woman had me shaking in my boot. I remember that. Udah, gitu aja udah. Kita save dulu ya. Lah, kenapa lagi nih? There you are, finally. You won't believe what happened while you were gone. I heard was the enemy. They just left Braver, so we went into it. Hah, pada ke Grey Red. Gue mau ini juga sih. Aduh, nggak bisa lagi. Bentar ya, gue ke WC dulu. Nah guys, setting dulu. Nah, gini kan enak. Live. You know what I'm saying, you know? Nah, nggak ada anak gue jadinya. Bentar ya. Ya, ayo kita let's go. Oh, itu usah kembali. Sorry aku terlambat. Don't be. We still have enough time to prepare for the enemy attack. Nice work, Nakil. I'm just glad I was able to find him right away. It will be careful. Sorry, would have cut it if the that's true. Thanks for coming to get me, guys. Kenapa nih? Ini gabung kita nih. Ini Castle. Oke. You bet. Udah save ya? Udah aman. Siapa aja deh? Mamet, dia Logan. Aduh, gue belum branding lagi, Nyet. Aku Marika lah pasti. Ini gak usah kali ya. Antar OP guys, batu pak. Ini kayak gak usah deh. Gak usah ya guys. Nah, kita setting dulu. Lu di depan lah. Kok dipakai kapak ya? Aduh, gue lagi gak ada duit. Aduh, gue tumpah level 9 lagi Nyet. Boleh deh kasih spell. Iron Fist. Ini boleh deh. Tapi dia nambah speed guys, Iron Talonnya lah ya. Aduh, ini masih. Ini bener kan udah? Ya benar. Sigel. Jauh tuh udah kuat guys. Sama Liu kah? Aduh gak ada lagi cok, sama Liu doang anjing. Oh. Oh enggak, dia maunya sama Mamet. Jarak. Dulu. Oh iya dia maunya sama Mamet guys. Ini maunya sama Mamet anjir. Jarak gue ganti dah. Oh, aduh, aku bingung. Apa bagi dua-dua ya? Kurang rekrut gua guys. Ini lemah banget. Gue bingung deh guys. Dua-dua aja apa ya? Kasian banget Logan anjing. Jarang lu. Remove aja ya. Lu di belakang aja. Logan. Kasian banget anjir. Di belakang aja. Oh, taruh. Ini gue kasih ini aja. Oke. Ini pasti ada. Aduh nggak ada lagi. Wah gila lu ya. Oh ada guys. Aman berarti. Tapi gue gak tahu yang menang apa kagak ya. Kurang anggota gue. Ini siapa sih Jara ya? Iya nice. Aduh, gue gak tahu ini menang apa enggak ya guys. Masa 2 kali gue begini keledai. Si kode draw gue kalah sama si ini Luka Blight. Ayo maju dulu lah. serang dulu ya guys. Sial, dia nahan guys. Oke, masih ada heal-healan ya, aman. Bahaya guys, bahaya guys. Oke, serang kemana aja lah. Gitu dong, heal bro. Tenang ya. Udah apple. Masih ribut lagi. Wah, ini sih harus reloading dulu guys. Wah, mati gak bisa guys. Ya di belakang lagi dia gila. Oh ini nih. Lalu ini deh defense-nya. Nah gitu dong. Jangan gitu. Lu lagi mati tremor. Lu defense. Tar dulu. Satu mati ya. Wait. Dia jadi tinggal 2, aman. Lu heal diri lu sendiri. Lu heal diri lu sendiri ya. Kejar sendiri. level 13 guys masalah. Woi sakit anjing. Aduh. Ini lu diri lu sendiri. Kira. Aduh gak ada rasanya guys. Shit. Ini lu attack, lu defense. Lu heal sih. Habis ini lu naik level, kalem kok. Mati anjing. Lu attack, lu defense. Lu attack, lu defense, please jangan mati ya. Kena lagi. Lu heal deh. Lu heal. Jarak. Gila nih gara-gara gak dinaikin levelnya jadi kayak gini anjir. Udah bantai aja kayak gini mah ya. Wah langsung naik 23 gila. Siapa? Waktu Pak. Dia dengan begitu juga. Kita bantai dulu aja nih yang ini nih. Gak ada deh bro. Gonna die bro. Ayo tuh naik level. Gila langsung level 16 sih. Udah menang nih. Udah kelar. Guys, kayaknya ini kudu di grinding dah. Percaya dah sama gue. Bahaya kalau sewaktu-waktu ini, gila.
You gotta thank you. Have a look.
Lapor dulu lah.
Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
Sapir Road.
Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. A new assignment, huh?
Find somebody.
Let's see. You've made up your mind, right?
Ntar dulu deh.
So what will it be? You've made up your mind, right?
Ntar dulu ya guys.
Are you done?
Kita misi dulu aja nggak sih? Sekalian grinding guys. Siapa yang mau kita bawa? Level udah 20. Fotupa dibawa. Cogar ganti deh. Cogar level berapa guys? 21. Aman. Malah tinggian dia anjing. Jara juga anjir. Ini udah rata guys. Gak usah lah. Oh paling ini aja ya, belanja guys. Oke gak sih, belanja aja. Cogar gue bawa Liu deh. Fotupa bener di depan. Kita belanja dulu aja ya. Apa mau sekalian misi guys?
Hello there, welcome. Let's see. So you'll take on this quest?
Check out the infinity. Maksudnya gimana sih guys?
Oh, you really want to quit? So you'll take on this quest?
Kita ambil ya. Iya, tar dulu. Salah. Lebih berguna Erin guys. Kita ke Salsabil berarti. Iya, Salsabil. Ngapain gua kesini sih? Salsa biar. Tapi gue mau grinding dulu gak sih guys? Bentar ya. Gokil ya, sejam juga gue. Bentar. Kita belum ngerekrut lagi nih guys. Mau cari gak? Rekrut gak sih? Ntar kekurangan orang lagi gua. Gila banyak orang gua deh. Butuh duit banget sih gua. Boleh pakai trade kah? Beli Notupa nih berarti. Lumayan guys kalau dijual. Nah gini aja deh biar cepet. Gak nih orang kayaknya juga gak jago-jago amat ini guys. Skillnya kurang banget. Darahnya dia berapa sih? Gak usah magic dah ini. Emang gak sakit gitu. Lumayan berapa menit ya. Ntar deh jadi duit dulu lah ya. Cari duit dulu guys. Kita kan stabil kan. Boleh naik level. Cuman itu dapetnya ini doang ya, XP doang gede berarti guys. Medicine doang dapetnya. Medicine lagi nih. Ya kayak dia ngedrop medicine doang dah. Kotupa cepet juga guys. Iya ngedrop medicine anjir. Kita gak ada coy. Masih jalan kok. Siapa lagi anjir? It's them. Ini kita bantai dulu guys sih. Wah anjir, boleh lu. Gila. Cepet banget ya guys. Bodoh anjir. Wihil dong. Naik level. Wuh. Untuk kita lihat sini, kalau kita ke sini dulu mah dia. Ntar guys, kita grinding dulu guys sih. Ini gak ada musuh beneran di sini. Belum itu kita jual dulu lah ya. Sini guys. Berapa harga? 200. Murah banget. 700 guys, mahal. Kita beli senjata dulu. Mageddon Sword, lu gila kali ya, terdepan. Sama aja sih. Ntar gue beli dari dulu deh. Kotuku kayaknya nggak cocok banget guys. Boleh. Wah, pismo aja langsung. Soalnya item media kurang guys. Jadi gue pakai ini aja lah ya. Ini tadi gue jual dulu. Kita kain berarti. Darah gue full kan pada. Full. Sep. Habis sep, kita ke sini. Yopel. Buset, serem amat pakai topeng. Icas. Sinus. Icas. Jangan pacaran lagi. Woman love stories like that. Bener kan? Pacaran. If we send out a pretty woman, we won't have to.
You've got a quest report waiting. Let's see. Way to go! You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. A new assignment, huh?
Main Icas.
Let's see.
Who's pretty woman? Wah, save dulu guys, guys.
So what will it be? Until next time.
Ada waktunya, gue nggak ngerti. Oke, mungkin streamingnya sampai sini dulu ya. Terima kasih sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.